Lenses are the cornerstone of photography. Different lenses create different looks and messages to your images, and the same goes for portrait photography as well. But as there are so many options in the market, picking the right lens for portrait photography can be a bit challenging. That's why, in this video, we're going to show you the top 5 best lenses for portrait photography so you can easily decide which lens suits your needs the most. So, without further ado, let's jump in. First on our list is Sony FE 35mm f1.4 GM, a small and compact lens for taking breathtaking portraits with extraordinary bokeh effect. The 35mm focal length of this lens is inherently versatile. It's perfectly suited for portrait photography, and the fast f1.4 maximum aperture helps when working in low light conditions and to control the depth of field. The rounded 11-blade diaphragm contributes in pleasing bokeh effect when performing selective focus techniques. Two extreme aspherical elements deliver stunning quality images with great contrast. Furthermore, an extra low dispersion glass element suppresses chromatic aberration, and Sony's Nano Air Coating 2 maintains extreme clarity in any given situation. Equipped with Sony's extreme dynamic linear motors, it provides fast, precise, and quiet autofocus and tracking. With all these high-quality features, this lens weighs only about 524 grams and fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, offering you excellent mobility and handholding in any shooting conditions. To conclude, the Sony FE 35mm f1.4 GM lens can be a great choice for those who want an ideal blend of mobility and superb picture quality. Next up, we have the Tamron 70-180mm f2.8 D3 VXD Lens, the only zoom lens in this listing, providing you a range of different focal lengths without missing any moment. It provides consistent brightness throughout the zoom range and offers improved control over shallow depth of field with its bright f2.8 maximum aperture. Not just that, equipped with 6 low dispersion and 3 aspherical elements, it greatly reduces color fringing and chromatic aberration throughout the zoom range for improved clarity and color accuracy. There are also 2 voice coil extreme torque driver linear motors which deliver quick, quiet, and precise focusing, which is needed for both stills and video applications. Additionally, this lens is also moisture resistant and has a fluorine coating on the front to protect it against dust, dirt, and smearing. Considering everything, the Tamron 70-180mm f2.8 D3 VXD lens is perfect for those looking for a versatile yet affordable lens for portrait photography. At number 3, we will look at the Canon RF 85mm f1.2 L USM Lens, a member of the high-end L series, which offers exceptional performance and reliability to elevate your portrait photography to a whole new dimension. Its 85mm focal length is ideal for pleasing portraits, while exceptionally bright f1.2 maximum aperture and Canon's unique DS coating offer stunning bokeh effect even in low-light situations. Moreover, special blue spectrum refractive optics, one aspherical and UD element eliminate color fringing and chromatic aberrations for producing sharper images. Thanks to its fast USM motor, this lens is fast and accurate enough to lock on a subject, while the lens control ring provides extra control over the settings. The weather-resistant design, on the other hand, protects it from dust and water, giving you the opportunity to work in extreme weather conditions. All in all, the Canon RF 85mm f1.2 L USM is an exceptional prime lens that combines superb performance with some added features. Next, let's talk about Sigma 135mm f1.8 DG HSM Art Lens, designed specifically for full-frame mirrorless cameras including Sony E, Canon EF, and Nikon F mount. However, when used with APS-C models, it provides a 202.5mm equivalent focal length. Constructed from thermally stable composite material, this lens is perfect to use in a wide range of temperature variations. Plus, the rubber sealing in the mount design makes it dust and splash resistant. With an f1.8 maximum aperture, this lens is well suited for low-light situations. The control over the focus position is also great when using shallow depth of field techniques. 9-blade rounded diaphragm, on the other hand, produces a smooth and pleasing bokeh effect. Featuring 2 f low dispersion and special low dispersion elements in the optical design, it effectively reduces color fringing and chromatic aberrations for improved color accuracy and clarity. Finally, the integrated hypersonic motor helps in quick and quiet autofocusing. You can also manually control the focus simply by rotating the focus ring at any time. In short, Sigma 135mm f1.8 DG HSM Art Lens has all the premium features that you're looking for in portrait photography. Last but not least, let's take a look at the Nikon AFS NIKKOR 105mm f1.4e ED lens, a pro-grade portrait lens that's perfect for shooting in all kinds of situations. This prime lens is designed for FX format Nikon f-mount cameras, where it can provide a maximum focal length of 105mm. This enables the photographer to get close enough without intruding on the subject. With an f1.4 maximum aperture, it creates an excellent subject on background separation for a superior bokeh effect and works really well in low light conditions. Equipped with 3 extra low dispersion glass elements, it successfully minimizes chromatic aberration for enhanced clarity and color neutrality. Besides, a nanocrystal coat on the lens eliminates internal reflections and ghosting. Additionally, this lens features Nikon's silent wave motor to enable high-speed autofocusing with extreme accuracy without making any noise. Overall, Nikon AFS NIKKOR 105mm f1.4e ED lens combines all the necessary technologies to create a sharp and fast lens for portrait photography. So, that's all about the top 5 best lenses for portrait photography. Each lens differs in its focal length and its unique usage to fit in varied portrait photographic situations. So, which lens do you think is more suitable for you? Let us know in the comment section.